Hello from Excel Wizard. Today is Omid challenge number 50 assignment problem and how to create permutation and combination list. So I'll start with this is the challenge. You can get the challenge in the link. Then there are five here. So before go to the challenge, let's see answer from many people here. So like, okay, first is this one. I think I should go with open new tab here. No, good. Oh yeah, just click here. So this one, the main goal of the problem is like we want to minimize the task and person use. So this means like answer to this one is like person task 1 we assign to person 4, and then we assign task 2 to person 1, and then task 3 to person 3, and then person 2 we get task 4. So the sum product of all this one will be the minimum number here. So this is how to solve it in like he use solver. But before that one, the instruction here wasn't like that, so we have to do something else. Okay, I'll get to this one later. And then okay, I reply this one with permutation later, and then this one long one just follow the instruction here. And then we have dim reply here with this one. Just use base sequence of 2 power 8. So base is like base of 2 here, and then 8 of length here. So this is one kind of combination list, but take it everything here, and there are reply from Brian here. This one is like permutation list, different from dim on top here. So the combination, we ignore the swap order. So like 1 2 3 4 or 4 3 2 1 is treated differently or similarly depend on permutation or combination. Okay, so this is the problem. So this is the file here. I'll just get started with the concept of combination and okay, permutation. Permut here and then combine. So we have a function in Excel like, okay, I'll just go with 5 and 3 here. So if go permut with 5 and 3, we get result of 60. Too much, I think, of 4. Yeah, 4 and 3. And then for combination, combine here, we get lesser because the swap order treat the same. And then how is this look like? So I'm just gonna start with that. I think, wait, N and C, okay. Let N is this one. Then I want sequence of N. So sequence of N here in column. So this become S. And this is S here. So this is number to choose. And when we pick only 3, we can create so many things. So this one, I'll do it with reduce. So I'll just go with reduce. Start with blank here. And then I'll just go one time first. So this is 1, and then lambda. I used to use A and V, but I still use that one. But recently, my good friend from Italy asked me for some formula, and then A is to call here. To call is translate into A dot call something, not sure about this, in Italian, and that cause variable A doesn't work here. So just take notes with that. Okay. So with one round, I want A and S here. So this is what I get result. So blank and sequence here. And then I want it go to column, so it's in to call here. So I got this one, and then next round I got this, and sequence in column of 4 got like this, and then I do to call again, get like this. So this one, if I just like use 1 and 2, so this is 2 times, but 1 1 2 2 here, this all the same number. I don't want that one, so it means I have to get rid if I found something there. So I use if find, if I can find that number which is s in previous value, which is a here, and I don't want that one, so it means go like this. Wait, if what find s, oh wait, I have to go with if error. So if it's not fine, is error. Okay, this should be better. And s, so this one, that 1 1 become false here, and then I use the to call. This one have option here to ignore error. So if I can induce error with the false, I can get rid of this one. So that's come neatly with if with s here. So this one induce error and then ignore error here. I got this one. Then if I want it 3 times, I can go sequence of this permutation 3 times here. Then the rows of this one become 24, same as this function. Now we have the combination, which the order matter. So 1 2 3 and 2 3 1 is the same. So we don't want any number that not sort. So this means instead of find here, I want to check if last number is smaller than s here. So this means, okay, just change this one. Right, last number which is of a here have to be less than s, but have to be careful a bit on this one, because this one is text and this s is number, and number always less than text. So if I go like this, just gonna cause error here. So just have to change this one to text to get this one, and then this is 4. Okay, and let's get back to dim formula here, mid base here. So, and okay, another thing to do is base. So base also can create combination but not permutation. So if I have 4 digits here, so I want, so base is basically like we have 1 2 3 4, and then first one we will pick it or not. So 1 and 0, 1 and 0, 1 and 0 here. So this one like we pick or not. So this means the possibility of choosing number 4 is like 2 power of this one. So 16, and I can create sequence. This one start from 0. I got like this, and change it to base 2. So base by 2 here, and minimum length I want 4 digits. So this means okay, just select n is this. This is become n. Min length become n. So it's like this. So like 0 1 here, and then I can translate this one into this. So I can go like mid. Oh wait. Also s, so s is sequence of n in column. Then I can mid base here by s by 1. Got like this. Then if I want to combine all this one together like this, I can use Repeat. Okay, I'll just go repeat of S by this number. So 0 will return blank and 1 will return that number. So I got like this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if we go by row here, then need to concat each row. So this is new function with the new update. So the old one, we have to go like lambda x concat x like this, that like this, and then we'll take a look at 3 here. So okay, this is B. We only want length of 3, so that means length. Okay, filter B, length B equal to this number. So this is another way to create, and then you can sort it later. And there are another way for this combination. So gonna start with this. So this one, I can go reduce. Okay, the concept is if I have 1 here, I want to add 1, add 2 behind this one. So that means I go with reduce, start with blank here, and then okay, 1, start with 1, lambda a v. I want to add 1 after a, so that means a and v, I will get 1 here. And next round, when I have 2, I want 1, 1, 2. So that means I need a previous from A here. So what I have to do is I have to restack A and V here. So I have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 here. So basically it's almost the same as this one before we get the B here. So this one, I have S, so I just replace that one with S, so I have all this. Then you can filter out anything, or if you want all, just take all of this. So this is another way for combination. But the problem is with this one, we cannot create the permutation where we need to swap the number. So another way to do this one is we can, which one? Okay, this one. Okay, this one, we just add V behind. So instead of add V behind, if we like have 1 here, then I want 2 to be added, so I want 1, 2, and 2, 1 here. This means I have to insert 2 in front and behind. So this come with this. This one. Okay, I'll just start with 1. So 1 is, with 1 I don't have anything before, so that means I need to, when insert, I mean replace A with 1 start number, and then number of child is 0, and then we want to new text is 1. So I have like this. So we add 1 somewhere behind the text here. And then if I have 2, I want to replace this one with 1 and 2. Number of child is 0 and new text is 2. I will have like this. And then I'll go with to call to make it this one. And then when we have 3, I want to replace this one with sequence of 3 and 3 here. We got like this, and then we go to call. Got all this. So these are the concept. And then with this, I can change this one to S, and then replace V and V. And then we have, I think we have to go back to call this one. Yeah, so this is what I got from this method. So, oh, wait, not good. Oh, yeah, it's good. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Reduce, replace. Do I need V-step? No, need thing. Oh, forgot this one. So with replace V and V, so this are the same. So this one have to be sequence of V. Yeah. So to get all the combination lists like this. And then this one is only give the latest number. So if we do the V stack, we also can get the result like this one. So that means I have to go with V stack with an A. And this one, but it will not enough. Not sure about this. Oh, and then there are, oh, okay. Because this one is 3, I need 4. So this one is 4. We get this one will have more because of duplicate here. So simple but not effective fix is I can use unique on this one. Oh, have to be unique on this one to get the fix. So that's mean now I have the same row here. So this is like many way to do permutation and combination list. Okay, let's get back to this one. So the easiest one to solve this one is I just assign any number to task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4 here. That means I need permutation of 4 and 4 number. That means I have to go with this. Oh, have to be 4 and this one also 4. Just go with n because same number. Okay. Or I can also go with this one. I don't need unique here, I think. Yeah, I don't need here. So this is 4. And I only want the less stat number, so I don't need V stack here. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Now I want to assign. Okay, I just option here. I want to assign 1, 2, 3, 4 by column and by row here. That means if I just go with mid of this reduce by S by 1, I can separate this one. And then with this grid, I can go with index of all this. Okay, I think this is M. This is M. And then I can go index of all this grid by M, which is row number, and then column number is also 1, 2, 3, 4, which are S. So this means my 1, 2, 3, 4 is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this one I think is like 1. I already forgot. 1, 2, 4, 3. Okay. So that means 1, 2, 4, 3. I got 4, 4 here. And then if we sum each row, which I can use by row and sum, I'll get the total of amount here. And then I want the minimum. I can go with X lookup for 0. And then return the M, which is the original number here. And then look for next larger. Got 4, 3, 2, 1. That means task 1 is for person 4. And to answer this one, I can like, okay, we start task here. with this one, and this is person 4. It means I have to index this person 4 with this and this, and so this is like you can transpose or do something else later. Yeah, I just go transpose. Okay, so this is one way to go, but is it fun? I don't think it's fun because like just create. The fun part is just create all this one, and I done it so many times. Now get to the fun part here. Actually, I don't understand this one much, but the concept here is we try with cover 0 in the metric using the minimum number of horizontal and vertical line. So there are 4 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4 for horizontal, and then I'll call this one 5, 6, 7, 8 for vertical. And this is form of dim do this one because he used 2 power 8. 8 is number of line here, so there are 8 line. And then find if any line here can like cover all the 0 here. So what I did here, so I'm just start with, let's see, is this one, and then y I will use check if that number is equal to 0. So this is equal 0. Okay, this is y here. It means this is 0, 0, 0, 0 here. And what I think is, so if I gonna check on this 0, I can go to direction. I can go by column or go by row. But I better go by row because I can cover more 0 here. So this come to me that I have to check each 0 on that line or column and check which one has more number, and I will go like this one. I will go with row, and this one, there are 2 here, I will go with column. So that means I have to check one by one on each grid here. So I need I go with n with rows of z here. You give me number 4. And this one I use make array of n and n, and then lambda. I go with I and j. First, I just get the number first. So I just go index y with I and j, and it will give me the number. Yeah, don't want all this. Just go with general. Okay. Then if it's 0, I don't want to do anything with that. If it's 1, I want to check if row or column has more number. So here I'll go with if. Oh wait, not this one. So if this one, I want to count numbers of how many in row. So I'll go with sum of index y by that row, which is I, and take all. So this is the number of total with row. So this means this is 2. I want to go with 2, and then this is 1. And then I have to compare with the column. So I'll just minus that one. But this one I go with column. So this one becomes j. So this means if it's positive number, I want to go with row. If it's negative, I go with column. And then with this 0, it can go either way. And at the first time, I thought it's gonna affect something if I pick row or column, but actually we just want to cover more. So if it's 0, I will give it to row here, or column. It doesn't matter because it will get the same result. So this means after this one, if I want to check which one I have to go, so I have to go like okay, this one become m here. M here, and then each row I want to check the maximum number. So okay, not maximum. Oh god, let's check if it's equal to 1. So I'll go by row here, and then M equal to 1. No, equal later. So and then lambda x, and then x equal to 1. And if it's anyone here, I want to go by row. So this means anything that equal to 1 or here. So I think I'll just skip this one with R. Okay, so this means this, I would take the row for first one. And then C, almost the same, equal to -1. So this is C. So this means I have to go by call here. Yep. So this means this one I want to go by column. And then when we, not yet, how to do with 0. So if I want 0 to go with column, so I have to take this one with 2 number. And then when we go by column, that means I take this one. And then I'll check this one equal to 0 and 1. So this means I have to go with comma separator in column and -1 here. So this means I have to go this if I want this one to go by column and 0 here. So this one will also give the true here. Then with this one, I only have 4 of this left. This means if I go R plus C here, and see that the 0 part is all this highlight number. And then next step is we want the minimum of the one that we not crossing out, which is 1 here, and then deduct the rest with 1. So that means this R and C I want if not R and C, I want C here. So with this, and then this is the minimum number on that range. So I'll give another number, W here. Okay, W. So this means then I want to deduct 1 out of only this. Oh, good. Okay, I'll just deduct in one shot here. So C minus if, okay, wait, confused a little bit. If it falls, I want it to stay the same. Okay, C here. And if it's not false, I want deduct by minimum of the rest. Okay. So this is the min. Get 1 here. And then if R plus C, then which is number I want the same with C, and then C minus this one should be, I need W. What? Okay. So now I deduct from 10, 5 to this one. So this is the first round here. And then if next round we can cover number with like 4 lines here. So this means if R, okay, I just have to go it again. But start with this instead. Now we just deduct more, but let's go back before that, R plus C. No, not R plus C, sum R and C. So which is number of line and number. Oh, wait. This is true and false. Just go minus minus to keep it number. Okay, now we have 4 lines here. And if I go with previous step, which is this takes, we have 3 lines here. So we will stop calculation when this one reach 4. So if sum of this return, okay, more than 3 or equal, I just in some case there will be like too many 0. I just go with this one equal to n. Then I want A. No, I want Z. Do nothing else. Just give me W here. Okay. This is first round. If it's second round here, it will do nothing here. So, and this is like we have to take a look over this over and over. So this is where reduce come in place. So I can go with reduce here. With start on this one and then lambda C, because C is the input, and then number, just go with K. Let I already have C. Oh wait, reduce, and then 1 round here. 1 round. Okay, 1 round we'll get this one, and then if we go 2 round, nothing change because yeah, nothing change. So like I can like overshoot here, like I can go 4 round and still give the same number. Then when we got this, we just assign this number to the person. So I didn't read it, but the way I see here is like task 1, we have 2 0 here, so it wasn't sure which one to give. Task 3 and person 3, this is crossing with 1 0, so task 3 have to be person 3 only. And now next turn is we go like this, go like this without this. Now like, oh, this one, yeah, this one have like 1 0. Also we can go assign person 4 to task 1, so like this. So we get rid of this, and then person 1 is just get rid. Now this one is left with person 2 with 0 here, so this means person 2 go with task 4, get rid of this, and then the rest is like 1 0 here. So the way to do that one, I'll just use this. So I'll get, so I have to do 4 round for 4 person. Okay, let this one is okay. Just go with so let R is this. Then I want to count how many 0 in that row. So by row of nr equals 0, and then sum. Yeah, so there are 2 of this. This means this 2 I want to assign number 1, which I can find the 0 on the first, and then this is third. Okay, so this means instead of just sum, so I'll just go with lambda x. So if x equal to 1, then I want x lookup No, X match 1 on X. Oh, wait. Oh, this one have to be or just one condition only. I can go with sum. No, sum give 2. Yep. Oh, wait. Sum have to equal to 1. Okay, wait. If sum x equal to 1. Yeah, okay. So this means this one, 3 and 1 assigned to person 4 and person 3. Then next round, I want to get rid of this 2 person. And also get rid of 1 and 3 here, which is... I think it's not really fun to do anymore. But I'll just try it. So this is first round here. Also want to get rid of this. I think I forgot what I did before already. I just try to get from this one. So I think this part done that. By row. Yeah, this part done that. I just copy now here. Drop. I think S is sequence. Okay. Let S is sequence of 4. Lambda AW. Forgot. A. Okay. I think this is one. I just guessing. Sure. No, doesn't work. Okay. I don't think I will do this one. Okay, try. So let's say I'm start with 0 and 0. 0 and 0 here. And then I want to filter out 0 and 0. The first one is task. This one is person. Okay. Let's try with that. Reduce 0 and 0. Sequence of 1, first round. And then R lambda, A, and V, and W, doesn't matter. So first I want to get rid row 0 and column 0. So it mean I need column number and row number. It's gonna be too complicated. Okay, let N is 4, S is sequence of N, then T is to row of S. So if X match S by take, no, have to be T because it's person, take A1 is an A. So this one will give me all NA true or for true because column doesn't have anything. So, but if I change this to 1 become false. So that means I filter task 1 out. Okay. And then plus is an A on row. So X match what? S on drop A by 1. Okay, so this one will give me 2. And then if this 2, then give me or this, which is I think RE. This one is RE. Okay. If I change this one to, oh, I cannot pass. I have to go multiply. Is it? If is an A. Confused. Confused. Can I go with plus? No. Wait. It's an A. Oh, this one. Okay. 1, 2. Oh, wait. So if this one, yeah, I have to go multiply. Okay. So 1, 3. Yep. Cross that one out. Yep. Good. So this one become let B. Okay. So with this one, I can apply all this. I'll start with 0. And this is B. Okay, by row B equal to 0. Should give me something. 1 and 3. And then I want to add 1 and 3 is the task on that A. Okay. So I don't want false. Okay, so this is task T. I can go V stack A and T. Filter T by T. Yep. Now I want number which is like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this one become a stack filter of S by T. Yep. Good. Then I can go 2 round. I got 3, and then I got go 3 round. I got this. So this is like task. This is person. But if I overshoot, cause error because all this filter doesn't give me anything. So if it's 0, if it's error, just go with 0. Okay. Good. Now I can start it. Start it. And then I filter 0 out. W, A, B, C, C. Filter C and take C first column. Yep. And then I can assign this one to this later. Yep. Okay. This is another way to do. And then recently I got another idea to do this one. So just take this one to another sheet. Okay. So this another idea is I don't want to do any crossing, but I will get rid of the maximum number 1 by 1. So like this one, the maximum, I don't know if you work with the larger problem, but it is fun to like do various method here. So I'm gonna start with let Z is this one. And then I want to get rid of the maximum number. So this means if C is less than min C, I just go with A. Okay, A. Then A. The rest will give me false. Oh, not min, max. So now I get rid of this. Then I'll get rid of this one by one. So this means I have to go reduce. No, reduce on this. Then a sequence of 1. Then lambda A and I. So 1 round will give me this. 2 round, get rid of 10. Go like 4 round. Okay. 5. Now, when I have 5 round here, there are only 1 number left in this row. So this means this one have to assign to person 3. And then when that happen, okay, I'm start with this. And then 1 round. When that happen, instead of removing this one max, I want to remove the whole row and column that have only 1 0 here. So this means, okay, let B is by row of A equals 0. And here, and then I want to sum it. Okay, this is X here, and then I'll just return B. Oh no, not, I need count. Yep, count, not sum. Okay, count. So this one have 1 number, and then if there are 1 number, I want to give this to be like something else. So at the same time with this is 1, I want to assign task 3 to this person. So like I want to give it 3 here, but if I give it 3, it's still number, and the count here will still count the number. So I think it's better to give it text. So I mean if B equal to 1, then I want the 1 number here. How to get number? I need another by row. Okay. So okay, just get it in one turn. So lambda x if count x equal to 1, then I want number from that row. So that means I have to find the position of column. I can go x match with 0, but sometimes it may be not 0 on that x, and I'll just go with next larger. And this one still give me the number, so I change this one to text with this, and the rest still give me the false. So right, cross here. Yep. Okay, now we have 3 here. Then if it's 3, I want to cross this row and this column out. So if R is text on B here, then if it's text B again, this first R is I want to check if I have to do this, and then if not, I'll just go with the normal method, which is left this max divide here. Then I want B, else I want the A. Okay. Right. So this is my not logical to have to cross this. Yep. So if there any text I want to wait, something is still not right. Close. Yeah. I only cross. Okay, I assign 3 to this, but I haven't crossed this one out yet. So another thing is multiply by, okay, I need column number. Let n is 4, then s is sequence, no, sequence of n column. No, this one is text and x match s by b, but b is text, so I'll just keep text on this one. And then is number, is it? No, when I cross this one out, I want it to be false, not text. Okay, so I have to do another if here. So if is number 1 minus is NA X match. Huh? Wait, my let is gone. So let n is 4. S is sequence of n. And this, if B is text. Yep, and then if 1 minus is NA X match on S by B, then give me A, right? Wait, if is text, give me B, then if, the cross here. What? Oh, too much. Wait, is an A X match. This become if, then true of this. This one cross the if. This one value true. This one false. Oh, need another close bracket. Bad. Oh, this number. Should I just go with this and A? Yeah, not. Okay, so now I cross this one out. Now I can continue with the next loop. So let's try this too. Oh, it's remove all my text. So the first to check if, so if it's text, I want it still be text. Okay, so before do anything, if is text A, just return A, and then let else just do something else. Yes, this is better. Now is it 2, and if it's 3, yep. Okay, seem like this one is good. Now I can like go like many round here. 16. Yep. And then this one is this. Yeah. So this means person 1 is assigned to task 2. Person 2 assigned to task 4. Or I can do another way around, which I go with task. So I have to transpose something here. So this is like n and this. And then that by row, I have to go by call instead. The rest should be the same. Yeah. So this is like task 1 to person 4. And then the rest is I only need the first column. So take first column. And then I can index task here with that column. Oh, what? Oh, I have to if outside. Index outside here, index task. This get task 4 and then match with person. So it's that this one. Or if I want task on the left side, I just go stack here. What? Oh, okay, and then sort. Oh, okay, so this is like how I do it for fun. So since this is the just give it some variable. So z is this. Then I think I don't use n at all, so just get rid of n. And then this is rows of c here. Index z. No, index name. Reduce this one. And this is just like I get rid one by one, so I can still use 16 times, which is just loop through this one, but that doesn't get any value. So I never use I here. Yep. So this is another way. I'll just answer this one. Yeah, that is the whole hour here. So yep, the first method is the easiest one here with that permutation effective. The rest is just for fun, but forgot to mention something here. So this one, when we like enlarge some number, like if we have more grid, like big 9 here, rows still good. Yeah, 9 row, 9 columns still good. 10 got number because I think it's exceed 1 million row here. So this one we cannot expand that one, and I think we still can do that large number with this method. I haven't tried yet, but I think I can do that. Also with this one, it can enlarge to larger number because at the end we reduce 10 by 10 like 100 times, but still slow, but still reachable. Then there are another thing to consider. So the first time I see this one, I just like wonder, think, okay, this 0 here, should I go row or column? And if there will be any different if I go by row and column, but in this case we don't have any difference, so just go one direction is enough. But another sample, I put the link on the description. I think I just have to find it. Wait. Another game is like harder challenge. It's called Peg Game. Here. This. Okay, this one. Now the game is like we have to connect at least three of one here, and we can go in any direction. So that's one. That mean I think I need some program to. Oh, wait. But uh, zoom it. Okay, good. Two. Okay, so like, meh, control here. So like, okay, I'll just consider this one, this number here. So this one, I can go 3 like this, or I can go 4 here, or wait, stop. I can go like, or this, can go this, can go like anything that connect with 3, I can go that all, and that makes so many possibility here. And this one, this permutation will not gonna work here, and then we have to limit some possibility into that one. So if anyone interested, the link is in the description here. So just, yeah, I think so. I think that's all for today here. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.